Hey folks, today we are introducing SciSpace Agent, the world's first AI designed just for the scientific community. Unlike generic AI tools, SciSpace Agent is a research-first assistant, deeply integrated with scientific databases, academic workflows, and publishing platforms. With a single prompt, you can search, read, analyze, and write, streamlining every step of your research journey. SciSpace Agent automates repetitive tasks, accelerates literature reviews, and even helps draft manuscripts, so you can focus on innovation, not administration. Experience the future of research with SciSpace Agent, your all-in-one intelligent research partner.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
To access the SciSpace Agent, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type SciSpace and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official SciSpace website link to navigate to their homepage. Once you've landed on the official site, you'll notice the SciSpace Research Agent featured prominently. Just hit and you will land of this page. This tool is an AI-powered, real-time assistant designed to help you with a variety of research tasks, all from a single, streamlined interface. The SciSpace Agent is connected to over 150 academic tools, making it a comprehensive solution for researchers. Whether you're reviewing literature, drafting proposals, or preparing manuscripts, this platform is built to support your entire research process. On the main interface, you'll see a prompt box where you can enter your research queries or tasks. This is where you can type in exactly what you need help with. For example, you might want assistance with manuscript writing, peer review support, creating scientific posters and presentations, or many other research-related activities. The platform also displays some common use cases to help guide you if you're not sure where to start. Let's walk through a practical example using the SciSpace Agent for generating a literature review, a task that many researchers find challenging and time-consuming. Suppose you need to conduct a systematic literature review on the topic of technology integration and students' achievement, focusing on studies published between 2014 and 2025. In addition to the review, you've been asked to provide a Prisma flow diagram to illustrate the study selection process, as well as a risk of bias assessment table using the Robbins Eye tool. After entering your prompt, click the Submit button. The SciSpace Agent will immediately start processing your request. You'll be able to watch its live activity on your screen as it works through each step in a clear, structured, and transparent manner. The agent will search for relevant literature, filter studies according to your criteria, generate the Prisma flow diagram, and compile the risk of bias assessment table, all in real time. Every action the agent takes is visible, so you can follow along as it builds your literature review and supporting materials. This step-by-step approach ensures that the process is both thorough and easy to understand. Once the task is complete, you'll have a comprehensive literature review, complete with a Prisma diagram and a risk of bias table, ready for your research project or publication. The SciSpace Agent not only saves you significant time, but also helps you maintain high standards of academic rigor and organization. Once the task is complete, you'll see the output displayed right on your screen. SciSpace makes it easy to use this information. You can copy the results directly with a single click, or download the full output for your records or further editing. Additionally, the platform suggests follow-up queries based on your initial request. These suggestions help you dive deeper into your topic, clarify any points, or explore related research questions, all without having to start from scratch. With these features, SciSpace Agent not only delivers comprehensive results, but also guides you through the next steps of your research journey, making the entire process smoother and more efficient. Now, let's explore another powerful feature of the SciSpace Agent, the creation of charts and visualizations. This is especially useful when you want to turn complex data into clear, impactful visuals for your research or presentations. With SciSpace, you can easily use an existing prompt by simply hitting the Remix button. This brings prompt into the input box, where you can modify it as needed. For this demonstration, I'll use the same prompt, but you can always adjust it to fit your requirements. Let's say we want to visualize the annual CO2 emissions of the top 5 emitting countries from 2000 to 2020. As soon as you hit Submit, the AI tool gets to work, searching for relevant data, processing the information, and generating the visualization. You'll notice the live activity feed on your screen, showing each step as it happens. The agent searches for the latest and most accurate data, compiles it, and creates a detailed chart. You can also see any files being generated in real time, so you're always aware of the progress. Once the process is complete, your chart will appear on the screen. You can open it to review the visualization, and if you need a copy, you can easily download it as a PDF file with just one click. The chart is comprehensive, displaying all the key information about annual CO2 emissions for the top 5 countries over the selected period. This makes it perfect for including in reports, presentations, or academic papers. In addition to the chart, SciSpace Agent often provides a detailed document with supporting information, which you can also download for further analysis or reference. This flexibility allows you to use the visualizations and data in a variety of ways, tailored to your research needs. Another helpful feature is the list of suggested follow-up questions. After generating your chart, SciSpace will recommend related queries you might want to explore, helping you dig deeper into your topic or expand your research in new directions. In summary, SciSpace Agent is an all-in-one tool for academic research. It helps you write literature reviews, generate manuscripts, visualize your data, create scientific posters, and much more, all from a single platform. Now it's your turn to try SciSpace Agent and see how it can accelerate your academic research. Use the link to access the tool. Plus, take advantage of our limited-time coupon code for 40% off on add-on credits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Guru Tech Solutions for more tutorials.